What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today I'm going to show you how to mobilize your neck using the floor. You're going to see a lot of people like wrestlers and judo and jiu-jitsu guys do this, but it doesn't mean you can't do this as well. I'm going to show you also one tip that I would not recommend, and I'm going to tell you a little bit reason why. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll be on the floor here, just like this, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my head onto the floor, and I'm going to place my hands just like this, rolling my head back and forth. As you can tell, I'm using my hands and my knees and my toes are engaged in order for you to actually manipulate and mobilize the head, okay? So you're going to come in, back and forth. As you get warmed up, you can get up a little bit higher and lower. You can go side to side using the floor. Now, you can rotate a little bit, getting a little bit of lateral flexion, side to side, and it's actually a really comfortable dynamic movement. What I don't like to see in people and in wrestlers, and I've seen this in the past, is tripoding onto our head. So for a lot of people, they'll be familiar with this. Some people won't. But either way, this is what I don't want to see you guys do, is getting off your knees and onto your, like this, and then starting to go like that. Why don't I want you guys to do that? Well, one, it can irritate the top of your head. I see a lot of wrestlers do this. They have to develop a lot of neck strength, and there's other ways to better develop neck strength and mobility without causing what we call compressive forces. So when we're in this position with our head down and we bend and rotate, what we're doing is we're adding that compressive force to the joints, and then we're rotating on it. And that's going to create a lot of compression in the neck. There are really sensitive nerves in there. They get injured very often, and this is just a great way to hurt them and accelerate that damage over time. So what you would like to do instead is just mobilize back and forth, make sure you're activating the neck muscles, and then start to strengthen your neck in a different method than that compressive load. So guys, really a great effective way, but a lot of people can take this a little bit too far. So stay on your knees, stay on your toes, and have your arms engaged. Also, this would really be beneficial for you because if you're in pain or discomfort and you need to take the load or pressure off of your neck, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have actually 6. So 2, 4, 6 areas, including your toes, in order for you to actually base right off of that. So if your neck gets caught or something like that, you have ways to get out of that position immediately. But if you're in that, it's going to hurt you even more. So guys, great mobilization. Just don't go too far with it. All right, guys? I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys for the next episode. Take care.